Nice forge set up, laid out properly. I'm gonna put some steel, case it up. Got the burners laid out. I'm pretty sure that's how they're gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna put a stone at the front, cover it. I don't really bother with actual proper door. Anyways, this is the back. You know, I'm gonna put a stone here with a little hole to vent out, because you need a vent for that kind of stuff. Yeah, please subscribe, please.